Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to connect or pair the PT20 wireless earbuds to a Samsung Galaxy phone. And of course, this phone here is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So let's get started. So let's say you're about to connect them, you take them out of the case, they don't go into pairing mode. So what you're going to do now is, of course, first make sure they are currently off. All right, so you can put them in your ears, long press them, you'll hear the female voice prompt saying it's off. And from here on, what we're going to do now is long press both of the touch control surface area together. We're going to long press it like that together. And once they both light up like that, just let it go. And then one side will remain in the pairing state mode. And then the other side, if you pay attention closely, you'll see that it flickers in blue very fast. Just hold on, just watch that. And there you go, that right there. So once you see that, that just means that they're both synced into each other. And one of them is the host earbud, and that when you connect them, they will both be paired and not just one. So with that said and done, on your Samsung phone, you can use the drop down menu from the top here, bring it down. And when you see the Bluetooth icon, just long press that and you'll be taken straight into the Bluetooth settings. Just go ahead and turn that on. Just press that once, and as you do that, it will start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices. You'll see PT20 show up under available devices. And once you see that, just go ahead and tap on it one time. It will say pairing. You will get, of course, a pairing request to the bottom of your screen. This is Android 10. And just OK that. And once you press OK, it will run the rest of the pairing process for you, showing that it's connecting. Then it'll say connected for calls and media audio. It will show you the battery life. Pay attention to the volume. Make sure you lower it down because sometimes it's connected as max volume. Now, after all that has been said and done, just pay attention to the earbuds. Make sure they both have that little subtle flickering blue light, which means that they're both connected, okay? So just pay attention to that. You'll see them flicker in a moment here, one, and then you'll see the other one flicker again. Just wait for that. There you go. So like, share, and sub. Turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching. See ya.